All right, got a few little toys for the truck. Sherpa Stallion 25,000 pound winch, 24 volt. Come with, well, I opted to buy the neoprene cover and the extended battery cables. Come with a 1/2 inch hook, all the hardware, the brackets, the fair lead, Albright solenoid, remote. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to take a piece of C channel. Oh, can't even lift that with one hand. That's how it get old. And build a mount on the outside of the bumper, or if I want to go through the hell of trying to modify that and extend that bumper out and put it behind it, which would probably be about the safest for deer and everything. But I don't know. I may. And then drop it down and put the fair lead underneath. Which is probably what I'll end up doing. But I'm not going to go screwing around with it, because one of my friends I work with, Ryan Kesey, wants to use it for Toronto. November 9th, they're having a Veterans Day parade, and he wants to haul all the guys from the Legion. So I'm going to see if the troop seats from the other truck that's sitting out front fit this one. This one's a drop side bed, and the other one's just a regular bed. So I'm going to see if the troop seats fit. So if they do, I will use the troop seats in it. If not, we're just going to put a picnic table or a bench or something in the back. There's only like 8 or 9 of them. So I may have to build a different battery box, something a little bit bigger. See if I might be able to shoehorn 4 batteries in there. That way I can wire it series parallel. That way I got double the amps and still 24 volt. And the horn on this thing's pretty sick. So I opted to buy Vixen air horns. And it's a 4-horn set. I'm going to replace the solenoid with the original 24 volt from the truck, and I'm going to mount it probably on that cross member right here above the fuel tank. So I didn't want to put it on the other side where I removed the spare tire carrier and Pioneer toolkit, because I got a Tractor Supply underbody box that I'm going to put there, and I'm going to stick a air hose reel in it, and then put my chainsaws and shit in it, some tools, 1-inch impact for if I go on a trip. But I can't see me taking this thing too far. The farthest it's been with me is it's been down to Moundsville once or twice, and New Philadelphia once, and then just Wintersville, Steubenville, Weirton. But yeah, that's my latest purchase for the truck. So yeah, I figure out what I'm gonna do. I'll let you know. Thanks.